everyone. Why don't you take 5? The team captains need to speak. Privately.
Okay, so what'd you think of my sister?
I barely even noticed her. She's never been as good as that Ellie girl.
Come on, we need her on the team.
That Kayla girl's the one that got moves.
Okay, so if we take Kayla and Ellie, that only leaves one more spot.
Then it's between Quinn and Rhyme. Take your pick.
Did you guys notice Henry was looking at me the whole time?
He was?
Yeah, well, I mean, actually, he was looking at his phone, but probably at our Snapchats, right? Obviously.
Okay, everyone, line up.
We'd like to welcome the following new members. Drum roll, please.
Kayla Seltzer. Quinn Forrester.
And last but not least, Ellie Mack.
Hey, I think this is yours.
Oh, thanks.
I was just covering for the tryouts. I'm a writer for the school newspaper.
Breaking news. 4 friends try out and 3 make the team.
I thought you did pretty good out there. Oh, I'm Tim Sharp. You know, Kayla's much older, cooler cousin.
I'm Ryan.
Well, it was nice meeting you.
Hey, where's your new hoodie?
I didn't make the team.
What?
I know, it's a bummer. Hey, have you met this guy named Tim Sharp?
What about him?
I just met him. He was pretty cool.
What do you mean cool?
I don't know, nice.
What do you mean nice?
Since when do you have a problem with rudimentary words?
What do you mean rudimentary?
TK.
Not like for real, I don't know what that means.
I'm not a thesaurus.
Do you have like a crush on him or something?
No?
Cool. Anyway, my sister is having her birthday party at the arcade. Do you and your friend should stop by?
I don't know. What if it's like a dance team thing?
Then you'll be with me.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you think your friends are cool with me hanging out with you?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Quinn can sort of be intimidating.
Yeah, she's harmless. I will say that it sucks Rhyme's not on the team with us, though. Look, it's Henry. Let's check his snap.
Should we respond?
Yeah, let him know we're here. Okay, I got dibs on Henry. Now we need to find someone for you. Have you met TK?
No.
TK! TK!
What's up?
Hey, this is my friend Kayla.
I'm Kayla.
We met at dance camp last summer, and she's new here at school.
Cool, nice to meet you.
So here's the deal. Rhyme and TK are best friends, and he's like a brother to all of us.
What? Don't put me in the bro zone.
TK and Rhyme hung out all summer while we were at camp.
Oh, are you guys like together?
Never really thought of it that way. I do miss our bike rides on the beach and laying under the stars at night. One time she spilled ice cream in her hair and then the bee swarmed her, and she jumped in the pool with all her clothes on.
That's very specific.
That was probably the best day of my life.
That was the best day of your life.
Baby bro, will you take a photo for us? Ooh, cute. Can you take one of mine? No. Let her be in it with us.
Sorry I'm late. It took me forever to wrap this.
No big deal.
Have you guys seen TK?
Yeah. He was just here.
He's the one who told me to come, but it's almost like he's avoiding me.
That's because he likes you.
No way. We're just friends.
Well, I think I'm gonna go play that game over there, the one where the hero does the And the fighting and the pow, you know. And...
Yeah, the one that Henry's playing.
Oh, is he? Didn't know.
No way. Do you hear that?
Listen up now, listen to me. My girls and my family. Stronger in numbers, it's no wonder. Watch out, world, watch and you'll see. There's no stopping us, and I gain. Come back for ya, like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang.